Today I am making my version of Juevos Rancheros. In this skillet, first I buttered some corn tortillas and I warmed them up. And now I've put them in my tortilla warmer to keep them warm. I'm going to set them back here where the heat concentrates on my stove to keep those warm. And in here I am pan frying some of my potatoes that I meal prepped. I've got some seasonings on there that we like, some onion powder and some other things. And we're going to get these browned up. And when these are browned up, then I'm going to throw some beans in here and a little bit of taco seasoning. And when then those are heated through, we'll be putting eggs on top. I'll show you as this progresses. I got my potatoes browned up, and I added some red beans that I canned myself, and some taco seasoning. And I'm going to attempt to stir this around with one hand. Next will be the eggs, and then it will be time to eat. Alrighty, everything is steaming hot. We're going to add our eggs in here one at a time, very gently, or all at once. He kind of went over here. I'm just moving. Get those egg yolks to where I want them at. And that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and bust those egg yolks so that they cook before my potatoes burn. Plus my hubby likes his egg yolks cooked, so that's okay. Alright. I'm going to let these eggs cook up, and then we'll top that with cheese, and I'll get it served up. Okay, and there is my Juevos Rancheros Skillet brunch. Yummy, delicious. And then we just put some picante sauce on top of ours. We're going to go eat.